Johnny. Oh, this is what baby Johnny does when Mama was cooking. Oh my goodness, look at this. He put all the cake here. All the cake. And now he's cleaning up, right? Are you cleaning it up?
Yeah, that means that.
You clean up? You cleaning up? Johnny? Cleaning it. Okay, cleaning it up.
That means that.
Yes, cleaning up. Okay? Cleaning up, baby John. Cleaning up. Okay?
That. Mama don't eat.
Hmm?
Nah.
Hmm?
Nah.
Cleaning up. Good job, Johnny. Good job. Good job, Johnny. Aww, you're so sweet. You make a mess and you clean it up, right, Johnny? Uh-huh. Good job. Thank you. Thank you. High five, Mama. High five, Johnny. High five, thank you. Good job. One more. Say bye.
Bye.
I love you.
I love you.